Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable show reminders and incoming VoIP calls on lock screen in Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable show incoming VoIP calls and reminders on lock screen, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on System. Now click on Notifications. Keep notification turn on and click the drop down menu here. And here you will find an option show reminders and incoming VoIP calls on the lock screen. Now it's disabled, that means hidden. Just click here to enable show reminders and incoming VoIP calls on the lock screen. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.